What's up guys, Ravi here back with another video, and in this video I'm gonna talking about Xpose. What is Xpose? How to flash Xpose? To know everything about Xpose, watch this video till the end. So how to install Xpose on your device? To install Xpose on your device, you need two things. You have rooted cell phone. The second thing, you have to flash any of the recovery on your cell phone. So after having these two things on your device, just go to the website. This website, I will provide this website link in the description down below, and after opening this website you have to download two zip files and one APK file. One zip file is the Xposed Installer, the second is Xposed.Zip, and third is Xposed Uninstaller. If you don't want Xposed now, so you can uninstall it. So first download the Xposed. Just go through the top latest version SDK23 and just choose your device. My device is ARM. You want to check which device is yours, just install XPOSED application, which is available on Play Store, so you get to know which device is yours in this three. So I've already downloaded this framework. So after downloading the zip file on your device, so you need to just boot into recovery. I'm booting directly to the recovery via this reboot method. If you are using a Samsung cell phone, so you need to press the volume up, lock button and home button together, and if you are using any other phone except Samsung, you need to just press the volume up button and lock button together. So this flashing method may take some of the time, so be patient. So after booting into this, just hit install and go through the folder where you have downloaded the file. As you can see, I have downloaded it over here, so just hit over here and just confirm to flash. I've already flashed it, so I'm not gonna flash again. So after doing this, just hit reboot and reboot system. So it will take some of the time to boot on your device. In mine it will boot fast because I won't flash it. I just shown the method, but with you it will take some of the time. So after a device has been booted up, in the boot method it will take some of the time, but don't get scared that your device has been bricked. It takes some time to boot your device. So after booted your device, just install the Xposed on your cell phone. That application you have to install, and just hit over here and just hit modules. So this module you have already installed on your device, and here is the download option. So you can download many of the modules. So I will show one example of the module. So here is a knock code. So this knock code is my lock.